researchers at Stanford and Google just created a world like Westworld called Smallville. There are 25 characters in Smallville, each with its own identity, purpose, storyline, and relationships. For example, John Lynn is a family man with a son who loves music and has a loving wife. John follows a simple morning routine which stays roughly the same, but his interactions and dialogue with character changes every time. Characters like John can also be given directives to override their behavior, just like Westworld. Klaus is another character. He's a researcher himself. I remember Klaus because he plays an important role later on. Each character can also self reflect. For example, not only is Klaus given an identity of a researcher, this identity is also solidified with events that happen to him. He reflects on these events and decides that he likes research. These characters also coordinate and plan stuff sometimes. Most of this can be done impromptu also. So, a character called Isabella is given an intent to plan a Valentine's party. Interestingly, she decides to take help from Maria, who has a crush on Klaus. This crush is not random. Like Klaus, Maria is also a researcher. In fact, due to this common interest, Klaus also prefers to spend time with Maria instead of everybody else in Smallville. Cute, right? Isabella is able to remember all this and plan the party due to her memory stream. Like Isabella, every character has their own memory stream. Their memory stream tells them what is relevant, recent, and important to them. Also, this chart shows how the news of this Valentine party spreads spontaneously between the characters. These characters have dynamic interactions with each other beside following their own story loop. Nothing is forced here. Pretty exciting, right? So that brings us to the last section of the video. While Smallville is pretty exciting to watch, it still took 2 days and thousands of dollars to simulate, which is a limitation. Researchers are also worried that people will form parasocial relationships with such generative agents, and this may lead to individuals further isolating themselves from society. Well, I'm still excited about this thing, and I'm hoping that this currently looks like Mario game, but I'm hoping that something like GTA graphics would come, and this mechanism is underlying that. I'm excited for this. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments and have a lovely day.